Hey, welcome to another great week here in Tucson Unified. This week, I am at Erickson Elementary, home of the Roadrunners, and this is the home of Nevaeh, who you see here to my right, your left. She is the Erickson Spelling Bee champion. She proudly competed and represented her school just last weekend at the District Spelling Bee Championships. There's wonderful programs here at Erickson. We've got basketball here for the first year. This is home, one of our KidCo sites for before and after school programming. We've got a wonderful preschool program, and it also is the home of Charlotte, who you see here next to me, whose grandma is the office manager. And here to tell us a little bit more about all the wonderful things going on at Erickson is its proud principal, Miss Romero.
Well, we welcome Dr. Trujillo to our campus. Thank you for being here. And our student representatives that are helping us today. Another thing about Miss Nevaeh Nelson here, she is our student council president as well. So this year, a lot of things that we have going on are new. We have the basketball that is new to our campus this year. We've had some OMA programs here as well that we are extremely thankful for. And we just have a lot of learning and a lot of growth, and we have some awesome teachers continuing to implement our curriculum and work to support our students in our growth.
We want to congratulate the Erickson 5th grade community. They scored above the district average for their benchmarks. That is no small feat. And for those of you that attended the High School Expo just this last weekend, I want to thank you for making that such a wonderful event. On the other end of the spectrum, we are open for business for kindergarten enrollment district-wide. Hit up our district website, or you can hit up our Facebook and our social media pages for the exact instructions on how to get your child enrolled in kindergarten today. TUSD offers all-day kindergarten district-wide because we know that that makes a difference. And also, great news about our enrollment. Our 100th day enrollment has passed us, and this district is better than ever when it comes to enrollment. Have an absolutely wonderful week.
What I like about Erickson is how kind and supporting everybody is here.
And I like about 4th grade is that we do lots of activities and games and do lots of fun math and math games on the computer.
What I like about Erickson is the learning environment. I get to play with my best friends, do classwork with my classmates.
I am Charlotte. I am in 2nd grade. I like math and science at Erickson.